Nowadays everything is getting instant noodles, instant recipes, this that सब हो रहा है, तो क्यों ना instant yoga हो जाए. Okay, so this I have designed specially for all the busy ladies who just have 5 minutes time. 5 मिनट तो निकाल दो यार, ठीक है. तो 5 मिनट्स में आपको सारे योगा आसनास फुल बॉडी वर्कआउट हो जाएगा आपका, एक्चुअली फुल बॉडी वर्क इन हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड दिस इज आई हैव डिजाइन इन सच अ वे दैट even beginners can practice this with the chair. So chair version is for beginners and normal version is for the people who don't have any health issue. So if you have joint pain, if you have back pain, any other issue, then you can use a chair version and practice. Otherwise you can do in the standing position. So let's yoga.
Starting with the warm-ups, the neck rotation for all the mobile users and constant use of computers, laptops, best for them. To practice this 2 rounds clockwise and anti-clockwise. Go slow. Let's do the next, the twisting. Body twisting really stretches your shoulders and back. Continue this for 20 times. Stretch right and left. Keep moving. Feel the stretch on your entire body. Twist your body. Stretch your arms. Keep breathing. Next is the bending and twisting. Really stretches your back and stretches your leg muscles, hamstrings. Follow the chair version if you have back pain or knee pain. If you don't understand this, then pause the video and you can watch again. Keep doing this for 20 times. Inhale, exhale, keep breathing. Now the next is back and front. This is optional. This actually stretches your entire back. If you're having joint pains, then avoid this. It improves your flexibility. You can do this 5 times. 5 rounds. Once you're done with the 5 rounds, then you can do the last jumping jacks. Do this 20 times. Really boosts your immunity, increases stamina. If having knee pain, then avoid jumping. Inhale, exhale. Keep doing this. In Sanskrit, this is called as a Janga Shakti Vikasika. Now, after the practice of warm-ups, you can rest for 10 seconds. Let us start with the asanas, the Padahastasana, standing forward bend pose. First, inhale and stretch your arms up, and as you exhale, slowly go forward bend from the lower back, go down. Try to keep your back straight, legs straight. आपका पूरा body straight रहना चाहिए. सर को दोनों हाथों के बीच. Try to feel the stretch on your leg muscles, strengthens your leg muscles, your hamstrings. Heart patients can do the chair version. Inhale, exhale, keep breathing. Next is a Natarajasana. For this you have to bend your right leg first, hold your right leg with your right hand. Right पैर को right हाथ से पकड़ना है और stretch करना है आगे, forward bend. It is a forward stretch. Stretch your left hand in front. Feel the stretch. You can do the chair version if you are not able to do the standing version. Focus at one point in front of you. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale, balance. Let us now do on the other side, same thing with the left leg. Okay, hold your left leg with your left hand and balance. आपको दूसरे पैर को सीधा रखना है. Try to keep your other leg straight. Unless you do the chair version. Chair version पे आपका knee bend रहेगा. Okay, try to keep your back straight and stretch your arms. So make sure you relax after every asana. Let us do the next, the Utkata Konasana. For this you have to spread your legs, bend your knees, go down and keep your back straight. Inhale, raise your right hand and bend towards the left side as you exhale. Try to keep your left hand resting on your left leg. Feel the stretch on your waist. Keep breathing. This asana is best to strengthen your pelvic floor, especially for infertility issues. All the ladies can practice this if you want a baby. And also this is a prenatal asana. You can practice this during pregnancy. Now do the same thing on the other side. Same posture. Make sure your back is straight. And now stretch your left hand. Inhale and as you exhale, bend towards the right side. Feel the stretch. Make sure your right hand is resting on your right thigh. Feel the twist and feel the stretch on your waist. Strengthens your leg muscles. Inhale, exhale, Sthiram Sukham Asanam. And now comes the Naukasana, boat pose. For this, you have to just stretch your legs and make sure your back is raised. You have to just balance on your hips. You can do the chair version if you're not comfortable down. And make sure you balance. If you want, you can hold your knees and try to balance first. Balance on your hips. This you have to avoid during periods and pregnancy. Now the next comes the last posture, Reverse Namaskarasana, which strengthens your chest and your shoulders. So this you have to stretch your arms and you have to go backwards. Try to keep your hand back. Join your palms and slowly bring your palms upwards. If you want, you can first start with your fingers. Join your fingers and then slowly try to touch your palms. This helps to improve your lung capacity, best for asthma patients. Keep breathing. Now rest in Shavasana, take 5 deep breaths, and if you love this video, then please do subscribe to my channel to watch more such videos. Promise me that you will save this video and practice with me daily.